Arjun Butterfly Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to teach 8th class Social Science from Geography Chapter 1 Resources. So, dear children, do you know what is the meaning of resources? Please, can anyone answer this? Yes. So, a resources is anything that can be used to satisfy human needs. That means resources are everything only that can satisfy the human needs. So, what are included here? So, things which are present in the environment which we use directly. So, in the environment, in the present, what can be used directly from the environment? Can you answer? Yes. So, from the environment, we can get directly water, food, clothes, minerals, everything. But when we come to this point, things which humans transform into usable materials. So here the human has to transfer the resources into the materials. But here we get that directly from the environment. But here the human has to transfer the materials for the use. So this is the meaning of the resources. Now let us see the next one, classification of the resources. So these are divided into three points. First one, natural resources, and second one, human-made resources, and third one, human resources. Now let us see the first one, natural resources. So natural resources which derives from the nature. So dear children, what comes from the nature? Can you answer it? Yes, you are right. For example, hay, water in the river, water in the lakes, water in the ponds, and sunlight, soil, minerals, vegetables, etc. So this all comes from the nature. And natural resources can be further classified into 4 types. Now let us see the first one on the basis of origin. So this one is divided into 2 types. The first one is biotic resources and second one is abiotic resources. Now let us see the first one, biotic resources. So what are the biotic resources? So what is the meaning of that? Biotic resources are all living organisms. So what are the living organisms? Can you answer it? Yes. So for example, vegetation, animals, human beings, etc. So these all comes on the living organisms. Now let us see the second one, by abiotic resources. So what are the abiotic resources? So abiotic resources are nothing non-living substance. So what are the non-living substance? Can you answer it? Yes. For example, soil, hay, sunlight and rocks. So these comes under the abiotic resources. Now differences between the biotic and abiotic resources. These are living organisms. These are non-living organisms. Now let us see the second one on the basis of stock. So this is also divided into 2 types. The first one is renewable resources and the second one is non-renewable resources. So first one, renewable resources. Renewable resources can be renewed quickly or unlimited and not affected by human activities. So these resources can be renewed quickly, that means very fastly, and also unlimited and not affected by the human activities. For example, water, soil, forest. So if you take the example water, we have used the water and we can renew very quickly, and this also will not affected by the human activities. And the same way soil, we have taken the soil and we have cultivated something else. So again we can be reused very quickly, and this also will not be affected by the human activities. Now let us see the second one, non-renewable resources. So non-renewable resources are limited stock. Once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed. So in these resources, it is a limited stock. That means very less stock, and once the stocks are exhausted, that means once it is completed or over, it takes the thousands of years to be renewed. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas. So if we take the petroleum, so we have put that petroleum in the car and we have used, and it will spoke, and we go, it don't be come back. It takes millions of years to be renewed. So the differences between the renewable resources, non-renewable resources. This is unlimited stock and this is limited stock. It can be renewed and it cannot be renewed. It takes the thousands of years to be renewed. And now let us go to the third one, on the basics of development. So this also divided into two types. First one is actual resources and second one is potential resources. Now let us see the first one. Actual resources are being developed and presently being used. The quantity and the quality and quantity of these resources are known to us. Already we are using these resources, already it is developed and we are using in the present, and how much quality and quantity we know to us. For example, petroleum, coal, etc. Now let us see the potential resources. So potential resources, the entire quantity may not be known and are not being used at present, but can be used in the future. So these potential resources, how much quantity may not known to us, and also we are not using in the present, we may use in the future. For example, high speed wind, solar energy. With the potential resources, high speed wind we may use in the future, but not in the present. Now let us see the fourth one, on the basis of distribution. So this also divided into two types. First one, ubiquitous resources, and second one, localized resources. Now let us see the first one, ubiquitous resources. So these resources are found everywhere. So for example, hair. So hair is found entire world. So if we go to anywhere, we can find the hair. But when we go to the localized resources, these resources are found in certain places only. So for example, copper, iron, gold, diamonds and silvers. So these resources can be found only in the certain places. So the differences between ubiquitous resources and the localized resources, these resources can be found entire world. These can be found only in certain places only. Now let us go to the next one, human-made resources. So human-made resources are those which humans create using technology and skills. So here with the human creations, technology and the talents, so they have created so many resources. For example, aircrafts. So the aircrafts to fly in the air with their technology, the talents, they have created that, and the missionaries to work on the missions, and buildings to live in the buildings, and roads to travel from one place to another place, and next railway tracks to take the goods from one place to another place. And next one, schools to give the education to the for the children. and next one banking for the financial purpose. So these all resources are called human-made resources. Now let us see the last one, human resources. So these resources are belongs to people. All other resources get meaning and value based on the needs and requirements of human beings. So first of all, we have to know that these resources are belongs to people. And for example, if I have take this marker and this marker has no value and meaning if I am not using this marker. For example, iron. So we get the iron from the earth crust. After taking that, we have to purify that and we have to use to build the missions. And the same way next one, cotton. So we get the cotton from the agriculture. After getting that, the cotton was spun into yarn. Next one, woven into cloth. And cloth and the tie. Cloth has to be tied into outfits. Outfit in sense nothing but its dresses, shirts, towels, bed sheets. So these all are called human resources. So thank you.